Hi, Fernanda. The way they have this set up, I think they're trying to make it easier, but they've actually made it a little more confusing, if you ask me. So this is how you open them, because the first time I did it, I had the same results as you, and it took me a minute. So click Open Problem Solutions, and then you will want to download it right there. And I'm just going to download it right there. Then we're going to open this up, and let me move this down a little bit so you can see. All right, so right here, before I can open, so if I just try to open them, I'm not going to be able to. I actually have to go up here and click Extract All, and it will open up this window, and I'll click on Extract, and then it will actually open a similar looking screen, and this will allow me to actually open them up. Sorry, I have two screens over here, so I'm having to drag them over. This will actually allow me to open them up once I hit Enable Editing. Boom. Then I can finally edit it right there, and it will let me write. But you have to go through that second step for it to be edited. What's the word? Be able to edit it. I think I'm going to actually upload these as just Word documents to make it a little bit easier. But anyway, hopefully that helps.